clear of the water. Maintaining vertical ascent to Angels 5.
All right, she's down. Good job, everyone.
Easy now, bringing it down.
Hold steady on that line. Almost there. Hold it right there. Keep it steady. Watch the line. Bring it in slow. Hold it steady right there.
Watch out below. Okay, moving it now.
Move it to the right a bit. Okay, holding steady. Watch your head down there. Yeah, got it. Keep spraying. Move it over to the left a bit. Need to get this section clean.
Make sure you get that crevice right there.
Give me all the
On it, moving the sprayer down now. We need to apply the poultice right here. Make sure the layer is thick enough to draw out the salts.
Understood. I'll cover this section now and monitor it closely.
All right, cutting the water. Let's see how that's set.
Looks better already.
I'm shifting the angle. All right, clear over here.
Target that section on the left. Got it, spraying now. Move down a bit. I'm finishing up here. Okay, watch the spray near the edge. Watch your line on the right. Okay, moving over. Pull that side tighter, watch the edge. Got it. Bring yours over here. Hold it steady right there. All right, got it.
Have you checked the lower quadrant yet?
Just did. The readings are stable. Just look at the detail on the folds of the robe. Unbelievable how they built this.
Careful on this section, it's fragile.
Understood. Just dusting the surface. You're making great progress on that shoulder. Thanks, it's coming along.
I'm getting a consistent reading here. Yep.
Same as yesterday?
Looks like it, yeah. Wait, check the tolerance on this section. It feels off.
Pulling up the master schematic now. Looks like we need to shim the lower quadrant. Watch your side, keep it steady. Holding it tight.
Here are the revised structural notes for the base. Thanks. I just finished checking the foundation measurements.
All right, bring it down slowly. We'll regroup here.
Are you done with the foot yet?
Almost, just a little more dust here. We're gonna need a taller crane to reach that high.
Yeah, it's massive. All right, hold up. Looks good from here.
Needs more support on the left side.
Yeah, clear coat looks good though.
Watch your eyes, more dust coming down.
Push harder on this side. Got it. Keep it steady.
How's the progress looking based on the schedule?
We are right on track. The sanding on this section is complete.
Looks good according to the schematic.
Yeah, incredible.
I'm finished with this section. Okay, I'm starting on the right. Move it up a bit. All right, hold steady there. Keep your arm steady. Apply more here. Look at the state of this arm. Gonna take all day. Yeah. Better get started, Ben. Call if you need me. This section looks clear. How's the shoulder? Yeah. Almost there. Need another pass on the left side. clear to lift. Keep an eye on that cable slack.
Understood. Moving it up now. Hold steady on that side. Copy that. Watching the gauge.
It really is something else.
Yeah. All right, let's get back to it.
Look at the detail on these hands. Whoa. It matches the records we found in the archive perfectly.